Joining us on the broadcast is Zeba Shirin. She is the leader of the Campus Front. Zeba, thank you so much for speaking to us. Why is it that the Campus Front of India is not ready to accept the order of the Karnataka High Court? Have you read the order?
Yeah, I've read the order. It is highly condemnable, the High Court verdict which has come recently. I could say that the court should have uphold the constitutional rights of a citizen rather than denying the basic rights. The court should have more analyzed the basic essentials of the particular, this basically Islam religion. The court has said that hijab is not essential, right? I could say that the essentiality and non-essentiality of religion should not be interpreted, should not be defined or described by the court by a secular court. Rather than the court should have consulted the religious scholars and the community itself. The community and the religious scholars are the ones who should interpret the Holy Book and Quran and say that which they
Zeba,
are essential or not.
Let me ask this question to you as a young enterprising woman who's well read. There are a lot of Muslim women I know who are good friends who do not cover their heads. Are they not Muslims?
Yeah, I could say that it is their choice. Whether it is in Islam or under the Constitution, wearing a particular dress code, accepting a particular dress code is up to them. Whether to accept it, whether to wear headscarf, whether to wear a parda, whether to wear a sari is up to them. It is their right, the freedom of choices. I'm not someone to comment on it. Muslims, Muslim women are commended to cover their heads by using a headscarf. And if someone is not, and nobody can force anyone to wear headscarf, we are living in a country like India, which upholds the unity in diversity, and institutions and the constitution itself is upholding a secular ideology.
But Zeba, does secularism means should hijab or any kind of head cover which is being imposed only on women and not on men, should it not be seen as regressive practice and something that should not be allowed in the state institutions?
Regressiveness and oppressiveness is not a topic to be discussed right now. Hijab is a dress code which is practiced by the Muslim women for a long years. Nobody has commented. If someone is thinking that it is oppressive, they can remove it. It is up to them to wear or not to wear a dress code. It is up to them to wear a hijab or not to wear a hijab. But if a person who thinks that it is essential to wear a hijab and also to get education, the constitution or the code should not violate their fundamental rights, and asking them to remove them, asking them to suspend their religious practices for a few minutes, for a few days, and get education. No, it is a highly condemnable. It is ridiculous. It should not happen. The court should revisit the judgment. The court should revisit the verdict.
Well, that is not possible with the High Court. As an informed citizen, you would know that now this matter can only be reopened by the Supreme Court if it deems fit. Zeba Shirin getting her perspective. She is the leader of the Campus Front of India, an organization which has said that they cannot accept this verdict. As expected, a lot of political reactions have been coming in on the story. Let's listen in.